In 2025, Google announced Google Stitch, an AI-powered UI/UX design tool. You can use simple prompts to create app and website interfaces. However, it wasn't much productive until now. Yesterday, Google announced new updates to Google Stitch, which Google is dubbing as Vibe Design, just like vibe coding by Classed. Voice control so you can speak design instructions. Infinite canvas for unlimited workspace for designs. Vibe Design, so instead of wireframes, you describe goals or inspiration. Let's see how it works. Here I am opening Google Stitch and I will type, "Design a fintech dashboard." Now, it takes some time to produce a prototype, so I have already done that and showing you a dashboard. Here, you can click on the app dashboard and see the buttons are clickable and you can edit the text. One of the best thing is that you can export the design to Figma, if you like working on Figma. There are also options to export to Jules and Google AI Studio. Google Jules is an AI coding agent to make changes through code. You can also use Google AI Studio for prototyping and further customization. Now, let's preview the prototype by clicking on the play button. I can change the button's text and design. You can see that there's very little need for customization apart from minor tweaks, which is crazy. You can also change the color palette of the app throughout the app. Just click on the edit button on the top center. Here, you can see the primary and secondary color options. You can also change the font design and size. At the bottom, you can also customize app corners. Google Stitch isn't replacing designers, but it's definitely changing how design works. Would you still learn UI design in 2026? Or just use AI? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more AI tools.